Alam nyo guys, nauso ngayon yung 2016 era. Kumbaga, 10 years ago. Tapos nauso rin yung mga reset sa mga shibuli. So eto, papakita ko sa inyo yung 2016 era ko ha. Kapag nakita nyo, iwasan nyo na yung pagsabi-sabi, reset. Nag-restart nga ni. Pag nakita nyo yung 2016, sabihin nyo, ay nag-restart si Ating. So ito, papakita ko sa inyo itong 2016 era natin 10 years ago. In 3, 2, 1, go.
You have to get me kind, oh Lord. My baby is driving me crazy. You're way too beautiful, girl. It was back in 99, watching movies all the time. Oh, when I went away for doing my first crime, and I never thought that we was gonna see each other. Oh, and then I came out, mommy moved me down south. Oh, I'm with my girl who I thought was my world. It came out to be that she wasn't the girl for me. Oh, she's very defined, you're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get me kind, oh Lord. My baby is driving.
Titigilan nyo na ako sa mga reset na yan kasi nag-restart, no? So yan, kita nyo na, no more reset, restart na.